InstaLOD offers everything you need for the production and automatic optimization of 3D content. InstaLOD's Polygon Optimizer has a unique way of preserving surface attributes which enables optimized geometry to render and shade true to the original geometry. Low processing times, sophisticated algorithms, and extensive control make InstaLOD's Optimizer the perfect match for any polygon reduction required. InstaLOD's multi-resolution remesher is fast, memory efficient, and can easily handle large datasets with multiple millions of polygons. In the reconstruction process, broken geometry is fixed, UVs are generated, and textures are automatically baked in a single step. InstaLOD's sophisticated baker is capable of generating textures of up to 32K with access to a large texture stack, including ambient occlusion, curvature, thickness, ID, and many more, with additional advanced features such as delighting for automatic shadow and highlight removal. InstaLOD's imposters generate extreme polygon reductions by creating the illusion of dense geometry. The wide variety of imposter types and advanced features make InstaLOD's imposters a capable toolkit for model representations of any distance. Material merging is capable of reducing draw calls by combining multiple material textures into a single material texture atlas. Mesh duplicates are automatically detected to enable advanced UV stacking. Occlusion culling automatically removes non-visible polygons or objects and can be performed automatically or by using manually placed cameras. Generating UVs, repacking of existing UV layouts, fixing non-manifold meshes, filling holes, or conforming mesh normals are just a small sample of the fully batchable mesh processing at your disposal. Multiple mesh operations can be run in parallel or consecutively to enable complex processing chains that can be used for batch processing. Additional tools like InstaLOD Grid or InstaLOD Watchdog can be leveraged to take your workflow automation to the next level. InstaLOD Grid enables enterprise customers to easily establish an on-premise InstaLOD compute cluster. Customers that leverage InstaLOD Grid are able to expose every employee to the InstaLOD web application to process data with no additional cost and no application-specific training. The InstaLOD Grid server receives requests from operators through applications such as InstaLOD Studio XL or the built-in web application and automatically forwards it to an available node in the compute cluster. Once the data has been processed, the result can be downloaded through InstaLOD Studio XL or the InstaLOD Grid web application. InstaLOD Watchdog is a smart solution that allows batch processing data on a regular basis whilst detecting whether a file has already been processed in a previous run. It watches over a specified folder structure and mirrors it. Changes made to the input folder structure are automatically recognized, allowing for only files that have been added or changed to be processed. These features and functionalities are just a fraction of what InstaLOD has to offer. Thanks for stopping by. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaLOD, please visit our website and follow us on Twitter. You can find all of the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.